Cara, what day is it? Is it Thursday?
It's Monday.
What?
Monday.
It's for homework today. Math. NPR. Test the mic. Test, and I'm in.
Trying to keep me from having the Zoom meeting?
No, it's just trying to make my life a little complicated.
One more day, Zoom again. I'm back. What are we doing for dinner? Buon appetito.
Don't drink and drive. That is sound advice.
What day is it? It's for homework today. NPR. Zoom it up. Dinner! A buon appetito! Cara, I'm off. I got Zoom and some office hours.
It's Saturday.
Saturday? Feels like Groundhog's Day. I'm getting more coffee. Alright, check email. Ooh, Julia Roberts writes. Virtual Spirit Week. Haha. Monday's PJ Day. Every day's PJ Day. Thursday, best quarantine haircut. All right. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today. It's Sunday, May 3rd, 2020. Some of you keen observers out there may have noticed that there's something different about me today. As my grandmother would probably ask, is that the way you're wearing your hair these days? Well, Nanny, it's the way I'm wearing my hair for the next 30 days. Some of you are also asking, why did you do that to yourself, Mr. Mac? Because it burned. My head's on fire.
Do you want a bucket?
Side note, I asked the women in my life permission to do this to myself. It's a good idea to get permission, so make sure you do that. As many of you know, we had a virtual Spirit Week this past week, and I thought I might be able to participate in the Thursday's Quarantine Haircut Competition. Well, I never got my submission in. Things got too complicated for me this week. A lot of ins, a lot of outs, a lot of what have yous. I had lesson plans to make, I had Zoom meetings to attend, I had to write and record my senior citation for graduation, and I didn't want to look like this. You know, I gotta be professional about it. But there's more to it than that, as I alluded to in the intro. Every day seems to be much the same lately to me, as if I'm in a loop. It reminds me of the movie Groundhog Day with Bill Murray and Andie MacDowell. Bill Murray's character plays this jerk reporter who goes off to Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania to cover the Groundhog Day. He wakes up every day and then the next, reliving the same day over and over. It is a hilarious movie, and sadly, it is relevant to our times now. So if you've never seen Groundhog Day, you should watch it tonight, really. So now when I get up in the morning and look in the mirror, I will at least have known that something has changed. What have I done to my head? So I've gotten rid of some of the gray in my life and added a little bit of color. Change is good. Speaking of change, we don't have any classes tomorrow, May 4th. That means no Google Forms, no notes to take, no Zoom conferences to make. Woo! I will post the assignment sometime tomorrow. Give yourselves a break. Next up, where in the world? Last week's Where in the World had many correct guesses. Well done, V from Vietnam and Al Pacino from Washington, D.C. Al was actually able to guess the location within the city, which was Marrakesh. So, way to raise the bar, Al. This week, I'm looking for more specificity. I want to know more than just the country. I would like to know the location as well. So let's check out this week's Where in the World. Oh, this is glorious. They're sandboarding over there. It's getting a little warm. I'm gonna go up this ridge right here. And taking a little break here. So send me those guesses. Next up, your submissions. Many of you have sent me some images and video of what you've been up to while in lockdown. So I thought I'd make a short video montage to show you what you've been up to. Lead us off, Lollipop.
Hey Mr. Mac, I saw your video about the Legos earlier today and found it funny because last night I was doing some cleaning and then I took out all my Legos. I too dumped them all out. And I spent around 3 hours building this Jedi Cruiser. Built like a Minecraft set. Those are my Legos.
I saved one last submission from 2 international students that are still holed up in Charlottesville waiting to get home still. They made a short cooking video for us. Let's check it out. That's Mac News for this week. Thanks for taking it all the way to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, give me some feedback. Do you like the hair? Share with me photos and videos of what you guys are up to. Have a safe week and I'll see you next time. Mac out.